girl Lucinda Cross, and welcome to Lucinda's World. Yes, and we sip. This is a new IGTV series where we are going to talk about everything that I feel like talking about. There's so much magic within women, so many things that happen in our day-to-day lives, personally and professionally. And I think it's time for us to have some uncut, raw conversations on what's working and what's not working, and how can we figure this thing out along the way together. So join me here on the IGTV series so that we can connect, and I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of what Lucinda's World is about, and I guarantee you'll be able to connect, relate, and maybe we can collaborate. Don't forget to bring your cup so we can sip.